Hello, I am Shivaji Bhaskar, Faculty of Russian at the School of Foreign Languages, IGNOU. I welcome you all to this course, Basics of Russian Communication Skills, Part 1. As you know that in this course, we shall be talking about many aspects of the Russian grammar. We shall also be discussing about how to understand the basics of Russian which we use in our day-to-day communication. Now let's talk about the objective of this course. The objective is to introduce you to the basics of Russian grammar and phonetics so that you can read, write, listen and speak Russian in an accurate manner. And the learning outcome of this course is that you will be able to read, write, listen and speak Russian with confidence in your daily communications after end of this course. It would provide you an added advantage in your present profiles, and you will be able to get better job opportunities in India and abroad. The relevance of this program is that being one of the international language of the United Nations, it would help you to understand and develop your skill further, so that according to the government of India, you will be able to go into different fields where we see huge investment like the defense, IT, aerospace, pharmaceuticals, tour and travels, etc. So with the help of knowledge of Russian language, you would certainly get an edge in your respective careers to excel further. All learners who are fresh school pass outs, graduate, people from BPOs, KPOs, defense and many other companies can enroll in this program. The instructional design of this course is very simple. It follows the pedagogical approach of 4-quadrant approach. It has been added with the e-content, e-tutorials, web links and web sources for the overall learning of Russian. The assessment of this course would be in 2 different parts, continuous assessment as well as determined examination. The procedure of admission would be offered through online, and the overall evaluation, as we have discussed, 30% is the continuous assessment, where you will be having discussions, webinars, assignments and projects, and 70% would be the determined examination. The main focus of this course is learning about the Russian grammar and phonetics. In this particular course, we shall be talking about the origin of the Russian language, the Russian alphabet, vowels and consonants, and the rules of the grammar which we see in the Russian case system. We shall be talking about the prepositional case, the accusative case, dative case, genitive case, and the instrumental case, along with a few more important aspects of the verbs as well as the verbs of motion. So I wish you all happy learning. Thank you.